Okay, welcome to Autodesk Inventor Professional 2020. Now, we'll be discussing naman yung shell command. So, again, we can start by clicking the part. So, again, we start with the 2D sketch. So, this time, we'll use the X and Z axis plane. Okay. Now, let's try to draw a rectangle dito. So, starting at this point or this axis or center point. Now, this time I'm gonna give yung dimensions nito. So, giving the dimension for this one. Let's say this is 22. So let's say this is, let's use this as a. So I'll try input. No, I'm be inputting 2 feet. No, for example, I'm inputting 2 feet. So automatically it will be converted into call this into mm. So that will be equal by to 609. So I'm giving 254 mm as dimension ng part na ito. So take note, now it is fully constrained. So I'm gonna finish the sketch. Okay, we are now in 3D. So let's try to extrude yung part na ito. So extruding this one. So nag-start tayo sa the beginning, no? So before we go to the shell command, so para you will be aware kung saan tayo nag-start and paano nag-progress yung drawing natin. And I'm giving the height for this one as, let's say this is, I'm giving a height of 6 inch, no? Okay, so notice that one. So giving that one, so that is 6 inches. Now again, I'm going to create another 2D sketch sa ibabaw nito. Okay. Then drawing a rectangle dito, keeping the rectangle dito. So then I will provide dimensions on the edge. Okay, so that will be 33, and this one, it will be, gusto ko maging pareho sila, so I'm going to click this one as para maging equal sila. So I'm gonna check this one and click the check mark. So mapapansin nyo, they are equal now. Then dimension naman dun this side na ito, so ang bigyan din natin siya ng 30, pareho din nun para maganda siya tignan. Okay, then mapapansin nyo, 1 dimensions needed to constrain, so bigyan natin ng dimension nito kung ilan nito. So that is fully constrained now. Okay, then I'm gonna finish my sketch. Then I'm gonna extrude pa rin uli yung part na ito. So I'm giving the distance of, let's say this is 4 inches. So that is 4 inch. Okay, click OK. Then I'm gonna draw again another surface sa ibabaw na ito. I'm gonna draw another object in this part. So that's it. Okay. Okay, so medyo alanganin yung ano. Let's try to change the visual styles to this one. Okay. Para medyo may ano tayo. Kita natin yung view. So makita natin yung saan yung part ng border niya. Then I'm gonna create another rectangle dito sa ibabaw niyan. For example, this one. Yeah. Okay. Then providing the dimension, clicking that one. So gusto ko ito maging equal sila, no? Maganda tignan. So keeping dimension dito naman para ma-constrain natin yung side na ito. So equal din natin yan. Okay, and this one, so we have now fully constrained. Click that one. Then finish the sketch. So I will extrude yung surface na ito. So let's say I'm leaving it as a 2 inches. And extrude. Click OK. Then providing the fillet. So fillet natin to. So let's try to use the loop. Surface na ito. So let's try to increase the thickness. So let's say that is 5. Increase natin more. So let's make it 8. Click apply. Then yung part na ito, applying that one, this one, and this one, and also this one. Click apply. And also in surface na ito, click apply then also. And this one, let's try to apply din dito. So cancel natin. Let's use yung loop, no? So using the loop on the surface, okay, click apply. And also yung edge na ito. So let's try yung isang klase variable naman. So I'm gonna try yung variable. So using the variable dito, try natin dito gamitin. So try to increase yung starting point to, let's say that is 12. Balik natin ito ang 8. Gamitan natin ito ng mga 20. Let's try to use 20. So let's say, mas maganda siguro mga 30. So applying 30. Apply. And this one also variable. So using 30 also the same future dun kanina. Papasok pala siya. Okay. Let's try another. Ando natin. Parang gusto ko siya nakalabas. So ilalabas natin siya. Gusto ko papasok dun sa loob. So I'm going to use variable. Undo. Use sorry. Try that one, variable. So yung part na yan. Then radius natin, gawin natin 30 dito papasok. Tingnan natin yung tsura niya. Okay. So pwede na yan. Apply. Then dito naman, the same also, 30 we have. Okay, apply. So dito, let's try to use naman dito, maliit lang dito kasi kakainin niya na yung part na ito eh. So I'm gonna use, siguro pwede na yan. Part na yan. Then also, I'm gonna use fillet din dito. Constant na lang natin yun kahit hindi na natin baguhin. Okay, so applying that one, apply. Then yung part naman nito, I want to have the loop on this one. Okay, apply that one. So meron na tayo. Then dito siguro, let's have a loop din dito. Let's try to do that one dito rin. So I'm changing this one to 15. So, pwede, kaya, apply. So we have now yung itsura ng mostly kung if you're going to imagine, so pwede siya maging ano ng sasakyan, no? If you can still remember yung crankcase ng internal combustion engine, yung sa ilalim, you're familiar. So pwede natin gawain yun katulad ng crankcase. Now I'm gonna use yung shell command. So we have ito yon. So shell command. Clicking that one. Now I'm gonna choose the surface. So clicking the surface na ito. So itong part na ito. So I'm giving, let's say that is 1 mm. Let's say that will be 3 mm yung thickness na gagamitin natin. And just click apply. Click OK. So let's see ano magiging itsura niya. Okay. So makita ninyo. So yung parang na-convert siya as a plain sheet. So tinanggal natin yung loob niya. So you will notice also yung dun sa loob, no? If you will notice, I'm going to rotate that one, okay? So yung dotted line o yung broken line, so tinanggal natin yung part na loob. So we extract. So parang nag-convert siya from a thick plain sheet. So let's try another ng method. So I'm gonna click undo. Then I'm gonna press shell again. So this time, yung part naman na i-click ko yung side na ito. So I'm gonna use yung surface na ito. So let's try to use this surface. Click OK. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, it is being removed yung face na yan. Try to undo that one. I'm gonna click the shell. So this time, let's change this select face. Okay. 3D model shell. So let's uncheck the automatic face change. Let's try that one. Okay, so yan. Ano lang siya, yung part lang na yun ang kailangan na yun, kasi nag-automatic face change siya. So lahat ng side na ito is being clicked. So thickness 3 mm. So I'm gonna click apply, click OK. So mapapansin ninyo, yun yung part na ito, starting from here, kinuha niya and iniwan, and also yung loob niya. So mapapansin nyo, so also yung radius niya, no? So makita yung dotted line yan, di ba? Okay. So let's try another one. I'm gonna click undo shell, and this time dito naman ako mag-click. Okay. Then click OK. So makita nyo, okay, yung parang yun din ng kinuha niya yung in-extract yung surface, yung solid object doon sa loob. Then from yun, I will try also undo. Let's try to do shell, dalawang surface face. So this one and this one, try natin. Okay, then click OK. So mapapansin nyo, ito part ito tinanggal, and also yung dun sa ilalim yung extracted. Okay, so that is how we use the shell command. So that is how very maganda siyang gamitin in terms ng pag naggagawa ka ng mga thick plain sheet, no? Katulad yung mapapansin nyo sa mga internal combustion engine, we have yung engine crankcase. So usually kung saan yung dito yung sa, if you can still remember, yung engine crankcase kung saan yung nahuhulog lahat yung langis. So that this is yung lubricating oil. So dito na i-stock. So then meron ka rin gear pump dito to recirculate yung So ganun yung kagandahan ng using the shell command. So I'm gonna click this one as a save. So try that one sa computer ninyo. So save as. So I'm gonna give this sa part 5 o part 6 tayo. Click save. Okay, so ganyan na siya. We have that one. Tsura niya. Okay. So let's proceed to the next topic.